guys, going for 62 here. I'm about ready to get going to my dad's soon, so I just want to let you know you might want to put your screens up to full brightness. Maybe not. But yeah, today's the last day of school. I am happy that it's the last day of school, but I'm also sad. Circus Baby 92, I hope you're watching. But today, I'm going to be playing an instrument. Well, not really an instrument. Called the ceiling fan. Hope you enjoy. Okay, I'm done. I hope you enjoyed. Yes, my little guy. But hope you enjoyed. See you next time. But going for a 62. Yeah, I just made this video short, but yeah. Hold up. Yes, I am still childish. Yay. But anyways, going for 62. Out.